relativity physics. If you want to encourage my work, please do subscribe my channel. How many 176 resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 amperes on a 220 volts line? So given, what are the given terms? So this is 5 ampere, that is current, and voltage, which is a 220 volts. Okay, so we have to connect the resistance in parallel. So what is the equivalent resistance if you connect it in parallel? That we will write here. So what is the equivalent resistance? So equivalent resistance in parallel, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. How many are there? So that many, 1 by R3 and so on. How many? If there is n means, okay, n resistance, like that. Like that we should do. But here we should remember one thing. They are saying that 176 resistors, that means equal resistance. Okay, identical resistance. That means if R1 is 3, R2 is 5, like that they are not changing. If R1 is 176 means R2 also 176, R3 also 176, R4 also 176, same resistance only. So in that case, this above equation will comes like this: 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R and so on, n, like that. So what is the effective equivalent resistance means? So n into 1 by R, n times of 1 by R. That's all. This is the effective equivalent resistance. Okay. How many 176 resistors are required to carry 5 ohms, 5 and 220 volts line? But here they are given R also. See, 176 resistors. How many I should connect? N, that we need to find. R they given. How many? I mean, R means how much? 176. So that is equal to N into 1 by 176. This is the final thing we got. So 1 by R parallel is, I mean, effective resistance is equal to N by 176. Now what is effective resistance in parallel means? 176 divided by N. This is what we need more. We will take this one and we will keep this aside. Okay. Now we will use Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law says V is equal to IR. So then what is R? R is equal to V by I. Okay, so I'm going to substitute all the things here. So what is V and what is I and what is R? Here R means RP, resistance in parallel. Effective resistance only we will take, we won't take a single resistance. So this effective resistance, total voltage, total current, like that. So what is RP? 176 divided by N is equal to V means what? 220 volts divided by I means 5 amperes. Okay, SI units only, right? I'm not going to write units. All are SI units only, like that. It cancels. Now what is n? Send this n this side, and if here n is doing division, right? If it goes this side, multiplication, like that. So here it is doing, if it comes here multiplication, this one is numerator, it comes here denominator, 120 volts. And if you do this calculation, you will find out n is equal to 4, like that. So what is this says means we need to connect 4. Okay, 4 176 resistance, you need to connect 4 176 resistors in parallel. Okay, and if you connect like that, and it will carry 5 amperes of current and a 220 volt line. That is what we found now. Thank you.